Good afternoon, all. Today we're going to see on the elements of design the process. Where in the last class we can see about the CAD, CAM, and its automation definition, and how the CAD will be helpful for the mechanical engineer. Now we're going to see about the elements where we consider to do the design for a product or the component. The first element is the problem identification. It means that what are all the problem for the particular component or the product is around in the society. We have to find research phase. What are the research phase to be done for the particular product to design in the software, and then requirement specification, and then concept requirement specification is nothing but, for example, whatever the design we do, those requirement will be done perfectly while we do the machining operation. So that is to be checked always while we do the design. Concept generations, while doing a design itself, we know how the concept will be. Concept is nothing but the methodology of the production to be check. And then design phase, what are all the design to be done and how it is to be assembled also to be done while we segregating the elements of a design things. Prototyping phase, while we do the design, it will be simple or complex, that is to be done as a prototype in a prompt way, so that is to be checked. And then system integration, these all the design will be integrated with the system, so it will be a very important element. And then maintenance phase, whatever the design we are making it up, that to be maintained very properly for the further process. These are all uh, the block diagram of the elements, where the first one is the recognitions of need, as the customer what is requirement for that to be find out, and then we define that problem for the need of the customer. And then we have to synthesize whether that problem is applicable for all the places or for the particular product. So that is to be synthesized, and then to be analyzed and optimized for that particular problem, and we made the evaluation and will be presented for the design. That is, after the presentation, if it is an approved, we can move for the automated drafting, and it will be drafted once. Then the design will be reviewed for the further movement to the machining operation. And also we have to do the engineering analysis while this product will be, that product or the component will be easily access to the market or to the usable. And then geometric modeling, after this finally the design will be approved for the geometric modeling to make it as a product. This same is in a different way, it has been mentioned, the same elements of the design process. Then some of the needs hierarchy of to do the design, where the portable audio device, high quality audio, and the portable device to be used where lightweight, small, ergonomic environment, and then easy to use. These three portable device to be used while we consider the designing. Some of the other parameters to be checked while we do the designing process. And then benefits of CAD. Why we go for CAD? It will improve the design, productivity design, improvements in design, shorter lead time, very short time we can do the design, and design analysis we can done easily. Failure design errors also can do, where the design get fails, easily we can find that failure in that particular break, and we can stop and they remodify the design and be given for the machining. Flexibility in design, whenever we requirement, we can do it in a flexible way. Standardizations of design drafting and documentation, where you can also view it as a 2D drawing and also 3D drawing, and then improved procedure for engineering changes and benefits of manufacturing, like CAPP, computer aided process planning, is one of the tool where we used in the CAD mainly. It is mainly used for the purpose to make the process plan very effectively, and also the tool and fixture design, where we go for the CAM machine. This tool and fixture to be considered very important to do the design as a product. Use of CAD. These are all some of the products or some places where we using the CAD architecture. Almost the architect use the more CAD tools to make the design for the building structures or some other for frame or infrastructure. Electronics very important. You know, many of the electronics the CAD design has been used. Automotive engineering on all the automobiles, the design software used for making the a product of making the design of differential unit or some other things. Industrial design, machinery, visual art, even in the medical also this can be used very effectively. Thank you.